Hello, my name is Diana Daza, a coin student. In this video, I will show you how cook my favorite food. Recipe pasta with chicken. The ingredients for a preparation are 1 shredded chicken breasts, 250 grams de pasta, salt, 1 cup of water, olive oil, 1 white onion, 2 red tomatoes, sticks the following. Cook the pasta in a large pot with boiling water. Cook the breasts in another container. Add the chicken is cutting whole this color. Prepare a sauce with the finely chopped vegetables. Mix everything together. Cook slowly for 5 minutes. And arrival ready to serve. Thank you.